my channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you are a subscriber. Thank you so much. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Today I'm going to unbox the Project Sweetwater Quarterly subscription box. I just checked and it is sold out. This is the first time I've gotten it. It's always been sold out when I was interested in it. But if you keep checking their website, it's Project Sweetwater. They'll have openings, and as soon as I saw it was open, I signed up. So I'm lucky in that way. I did watch someone else's unboxing. Cheated. I couldn't wait. So I kind of know what's in it, but I want to share it with you. I can get the box open. Oh, taped on the sides too. Should have done this ahead of time. Sorry, folks. Sorry, folks. Goodness sakes. I think my box is squished. They had it squished in my mailbox. Got a little piece of paper. That's what it looks like. So usually, I know you usually get, I just saw the fabric. You get 3 projects. We got a little card. It says, say hello to Snowkissed. While we aren't quite ready for snow, it's always time for Christmas sewing. And then it goes into what is in the box. There's yardage in the box that it has different prints on it. So when you cut the different prints, they're fact orders. In the next box, we'll include their new grays. Oh yeah, that looks cute. This is what's going to be in the next box. Look at those colors. So, oh, so cute. Okay, so have a little cover in our booklet. These are the projects. These 2, and then there's 2 more projects on the back. I'll show them. So there is a mug mat, which is this one. That's cute, right? And then there's mini pine trees, which are those, are so cute. And I'm definitely gonna have to make this next one. Sorry, I just looked away. I got distracted by a light on my phone. I haven't had coffee yet today. Forgive me. Then the next one is Christmas in the Village, and it's 10 by 24 and a half. So it could be table, it would be really cute wall hanging. It is applique with lots of blanket stitch. Yeah, definitely gonna have to do that. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Isn't that cute? And then the final project, they give you the applique pieces to cut out. And then a Snowkissed table mat, which is 24 by 24. That's that. I don't know if I would use this fabric for that. It doesn't look very Christmassy. But anyways. So, we'll save the fabric for last. They give you the 2 little blocks to sit your pine trees on. That's cute. Got some candy. We got 2 candies. We also get a label. They have a label subscription as well, which I do get, but you can get it personalized with your name or your company name, your logo, not your logo, your name on it. And I get that every month, and I pay like $19.99 for 3 months. So it's really cheap, and usually you get different ones, but I have them here. I can show you. Like this is a sample one I haven't used yet. And it'll say made by or handmade by. There are all kinds of different ones. Really cute. That subscription is open. Little labels to match the fabric. This is their Snowkissed line. It's adorable. Absolutely adorable. So we got a charm pack. I will show you the fabrics. I don't know if you've seen this line or not. Look how darling. Look at the little houses. There's a white on white. Looks like dots. We got 2 of those. Oh, look how cute those little hats are. So cute. Little squigglies. Dots. This is what the white on white is. The dots. 2 of those. Words. They're upside down. Words. Uh-oh. Are all the words going to be upside down? Well, we're just going to go with it. Got 2 of those. A cute plaid. Isn't that cute? Squigglies. Dots. It's a real pretty gray. I just recently got some fabric that it has almost like a tinge of purple in it, if that makes sense. And I just got some fabric that was on clearance that is that same tone, so that's good. Little hats. Numbers. Dots. 2 dots. Excuse me. Squigglies. In the red. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Psychedelic in the red. Another plaid. Dots in red. Get 2 of those. Hats on the red background. These words are right side up. Aren't they cute? Very whimsical. Which I wonder if some of these would go in that quilt I want to make my grandson. They might. There's the words, and isn't that funny how some are right side up and some aren't. Numbers. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Who's that? Can't really tell, but it's that psychedelic. It's like a chevron almost. Well, it's like, yeah, it's like a chevron. Hats in the green. Squigglies. 2 squigglies. Little houses. Another plaid. Hats. Numbers in green. Yeah, see, it's like a chevron. You can't really tell. It almost makes the screen look like it's moving. Squigglies. And then houses. Last one is the words again in green. So cute. I knew this line was going to be in this, and so I wanted to buy some, so I didn't buy any because I knew that I had finally gotten on the list I don't know how the list works. I don't know if maybe they like open up so many spots for the next quarter, or not quite sure how it works. But if you just check Project Sweetwater, check their website, you'll you can see all their subscriptions there. And then the yardage we got, so cute. And the fabric is so nice. So these are different panels on the yardage, and you can cut them apart to be a fat quarter. So we have that print. And then we have the words. This fabric is so soft. See how you can like cut it? The white on white chevron. The gray and hats. Oops. So cute. And then the next, so this equates to 2 yards, 8 fat quarters. So we have the hats in green with the chevron thingy in red. Then we have the plaid and the words. So cute. So that is Project Sweetwater. It is quarterly. It's $39. I don't think I said the price. It's $39.95 plus tax and shipping, if you have tax on that stuff, and shipping. And that's it. So we got the 2 yards of fabric, the charm pack, little candies, 4 different patterns, and the label. So pretty awesome box. It matches the fabric. I'm happy with it. I hope I have time. Excuse me. My alarm just went off. I hope I have time to do this stuff. I have a lot on my plate. A lot of things I'm wanting to make here. But that was the box. I hope you enjoyed. And I look forward to seeing you next time. And thanks everyone for all the comments and helping me answer questions about my new sewing machine. You've all been great, and I enjoy the interaction. And I hope you have a great day and you get to sew. I'll see you soon. Bye.